How to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden, accurate guide. Script, want to check someone's online status on WhatsApp even if it's hidden? Here's the correct and honest answer. Important first. WhatsApp. If a person hides their last seen or online status in privacy settings, there is no official way to see it. WhatsApp does not allow bypassing privacy settings. What you can do instead. 1. Check typing or recording status. If the person is chatting with you, you may see typing, recording. This means they are currently active. 2. Send a message and watch for read activity. If read receipts are enabled, blue ticks can indicate the message was opened. 3. Check status updates or recent activity. If the person posts a new status, it usually means they were recently active. Avoid fake apps. Third-party apps claiming to track hidden online status are unsafe. These apps can steal your data or get your account banned. Final summary. If someone hides their online status, it cannot be viewed officially. Only indirect activity like typing or status updates may show if they are active.